Welcome to another CompuByte tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use the CompuByte Spares Catalog. You log into the CompuByte screen and you click on your parameters. You put your access code in. And the first thing you will search for is the catalog, C-A-T-A. And then you will insert in parameter 219 where your drive letter is, where the catalog files will be kept in. If you are on the server, it will be the C drive. If you will be on the terminals, it will be the P drive. So here it's a P drive, so I'm going to click OK. And it will show you which of the terminals will have this parameter. If it's the terminal number 1 will be on the C drive, or terminal number 2, 3, 4 will be on the P drive, and you click on OK. Then you will go to update latest Motorspares Catalogue. You click on it and you will put your access code. You must have a monthly catalog subscription with CompuByte before you can use the catalog. CompuByte will then give you an access code to put in here. You put in the access code and then you will update the software catalog only, which takes between 5 to 10 minutes to download. You click on it. The password in first. Let me just put the password in. And then I click on update Spares Catalog, and then I just click on download, and the Spares Catalog will be downloaded. And automatically the files will be extracted, and then you can close it. You do this for the Spares Catalog, and then it will take between 1 to 2 hours to do for the images. So you have to use the second one, the second option button, update Spares Catalog images after you've done that. You close the catalog and then you close the program. Now I'll show you how in the program you will use the catalog. You log in as your operator 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you into the program. Once you're in the program, you go to your cashier screen or your account screen, and at the PLU prompt here you press the F3 key, and you'll see it will open up the CompuByte catalog. You go to cars, just say we're going to search for a Toyota, so automatically it will show up all the Toyotas. You click on Toyota and you press the enter button. Then it will come to models. You put the models. I'm going to choose for a high ace, and I can choose the 1600 high ace, and as I choose it and then I press the enter key, then it brings down the service parts, alternator parts, bearings, body parts. So if I want service parts, the section, so I can choose service parts, or if I want to use wheel bearings, I choose wheel bearings, and then I press enter again, and it shows me all the wheel bearings. Now I'll see if I want to see this particular wheel bearing there, VK A827, and I'll see the picture of it here at the bottom as well. That is if you downloaded the picture images as well. You double click on it and it will show you the big image larger, so you close it. So by double clicking it will enlarge the picture itself. That's how simple it is to use the catalog. Let's use another part. Let's use another car. Let's say we're going to use Volkswagen FOVLK. I choose Volkswagen and I press enter. Now I want the up model, so I choose UP up, and it shows me the up model. And you see here at the bottom, it will show you up model, and it will show you from 2015 to current year. That's the year, and that's the engine specifications. So I want this particular up model, so I click on it and I press the enter button. And now I want service parts, so I click on service parts and I press enter, and it shows me all the service parts. And now I can go down and see the different service parts and the pictures of the different service parts. If I want to reset the catalog, I just click on reset and I reset the catalog. If it is the first time that you're using the catalog, it will ask you for a password to edit the catalog as well. You can put in more items to add to the catalog by inserting the F2 key on any part of the grid, and you can edit the particular catalog as well. To close the catalog, I close the catalog. Also, you should remember, if you are working on the catalog, if I'm pressing F3, and I'm going to go now for, just say, Porsche, P-O-R-S, and I choose Porsche, enter, and I choose the Cayenne 3 liter, enter, from 2010 to 2011, and I want service parts, and it's showing me all the service parts. Now just say you here at the service parts, which is a CH705. So if you press enter here at CH705, at the CH705 link, if you press enter here, it will put CH705 at the bottom of the PLU code, and if you do have the PLU code in stock, it will display what quantities you've got of the PLU code. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to visit our CompuByte website, www.786.co.za.